Planned Parenthood and other clinics receiving federal funding can no longer make abortion referrals as part of its family planning services. The Trump administration announced the new abortion-related regulations will now be enforced. Planned Parenthood's Leanna Wen says, "We will not stop fighting for all those across the country in need of essential care." Students for Life's Kristen Hawkins says ending the connection between abortion and family planning is a victory for common sense health care. And Kristen Hawkins with Students for Life joins us now. And Kristen, you certainly made some sense in that last statement. This is good news for pro-lifers, isn't it?
And it's actually, a great demonstration why elections matter. President Trump promised to defund Planned Parenthood. We haven't been able to get a full defunding measure through Congress, but this was one step that the president and his administration was able to take to ban Title X recipients, to enforce the law, to say, look, you can't co-locate an abortion facility within a family planning clinic. You can't close a sale of an abortion while you're trying to serve women on the taxpayer's dollar.
Do you think this new legislation will actually affect the abortion industry?
We know it will affect the abortion industry. Several Planned Parenthoods for the past decades have been receiving Title X funding. So this is going to say, look, that pot of money is no longer open to you, Planned Parenthood, as long as you continue to commit abortions or refer women to have abortions.
What do the Title X family planning grants entail exactly?
Title X family planning is for money for lower income women to receive family planning services, contraceptive services, advice for how to plan out their children, space out their children, kind of common sense healthcare that's actually offered at federally qualified health centers, more than 8,000 of them across the country. Planned Parenthood has kind of gotten their hands in the cookie jar there over the past several years, which it really doesn't make sense because they're the nation's largest abortion vendor, but yet then they're telling the government that they're going to sell contraceptive services to prevent abortions. So something doesn't make sense there, right? And so Planned Parenthood has been receiving some of these taxpayer dollars and receiving Title X grants. Many of their facilities have been. That's why Leanna Wen, the new president of Planned Parenthood, spoke out against this rule. This is why the abortion industry, immediately after President Trump announced this rule, promised to do everything they can to fight this because they want as many taxpayer dollars as possible to subsidize their predatory abortion business.
So you think these restrictions will impact Planned Parenthood very specifically then?
Absolutely. This is literally going to take money out of Planned Parenthood's bank. They are not going to be able to get Title X money, and we believe it can defund them about $60 million a year.
Wow, that's a big sum. This is a big day for the pro-life movement. Kristen Hawkins, thanks so much for being with us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.